Yo guys, quick Lexus IS. This car is beautiful. So I've got the hardwire kit for the customer, for my customer should I say. I fitted this dash cam to a bigger version of this Lexus. I can't remember what it was, an ES I believe it was, yeah, before, but we downsized to the IS. So I'm going to put this dash cam just up here and the hardwire kit. The fuse box is here on the Lexus. So looks like when I'm done. Guys, oh my, this is the Nextbase Dashcam. It was on park mode, and just as we open the door, it's about to turn on to record for 30 seconds to make sure that it can capture anything that's, you know, happening around. That was a G sensor that just picked up, and you see it's locking that video as well. I think after 30 seconds it's gonna switch off again. It stays still. Oh, don't move. Oh, it's still coming.
That's a long 30 seconds.
It started another 30-second countdown. I don't know if I was just waffling about the 30 seconds or not. I think I read that. Right guys, so I do have patience after all. I waited. So park mode. You see the dash cam's off. Go on, run, bash that window. Let's see, a bit hot. Yeah, it turned on.
Oh, right.
Let's see. Did it?
Did it go off in 5 minutes? 5 again?
No, it didn't bash it hard enough.
Bang it.
Yeah. Come on baby, wake up. There we go, that was enough.
Oh. It's on, yeah.
You see it? Yeah, it's on now, recording. And that's
Right. You're right.